Okay, thanks, Eddie. Taste test. Oh my gosh, that's so good. And like 40 grams of protein. Hi friends, it is Sunday morning. It's 8:25. I'm taking an 8:30 class at F45 today, so it's very bumpy. Might have taken me a little bit to find my keys. My house is a mess. My in-laws are still visiting. We had a lot of fun yesterday. Ate a little bit too much, drank a little bit too much. But today, my kids have their preschool Christmas concert, so I'm excited about that. They are already dressed, even though it's not until like 2 p.m. They're already excited, ready to go. They've been practicing their songs. It's a weighted day today, and I had eggs, bacon, and fruit before with the coffee as my pre-workout. Another warm day in Calgary. We have a Chinook right now. I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's definitely not warm enough for a t-shirt, but to be honest, I was running late and didn't want to grab a sweater. But thanks for all your love on my past Vlogmas video. All right, I'm all ready for the preschool concert. Look at this cute shirt that I got. It says, "Don't be a cotton-headed ninny muggins" in the movie Elf. So cute. All right, time to go get my kids lunch, get them ready. Then it's time to go. The kids' Christmas concert was so cute. They did so awesome. And it's nice because when they get home from preschool, I don't often know what they've done. So it was nice to see all the stuff that they've learned. And yes, they did amazing performing on stage. But the sun is already setting. It's almost the shortest day of the year. So it's 5 o'clock and the sun is set. I'm gonna get my kids dinner, and it's Sunday, so I need to do my laundry and do a reset for the week. Can't believe the weekend's already over and it's gonna be Christmas before we know it. Tomorrow, another work day, and my kids have school, so I'm making sure everything is prepped for the week for them. Look at my house. Kids built a fort, which is fine. They had a great time. Didn't get to the dishes. It's been a day. Hey, doggy. Mondayest Monday ever. You doing both at the same time? Are you making a couch or just building it up?
Just gonna move a little bit more. I'll get it.
Okay.
On the back.
It's 7:30 p.m. My kids are sleeping and I'm definitely in bed getting ready to watch TV. But I did get my new Google Pixel watch. I know it's the older version and there's a Google Pixel 3. I did get this one for free with my Shoppers points, so I'm very excited about it. My Fitbit is so old and doesn't really even work anymore. Spent the day working, and then when my kids came home from school, we went and got some groceries for the week, and then I made them tidy up that house because the house was an absolute mess. We had dinner, played games, and after shower, they're sleeping. So gonna have a couple hours to myself tonight. I feel like I should be doing something more productive than just sitting watching TV, but some nights you just need nights like this. Wake up tomorrow and it's a new... I'm gonna measure how much paper we need for this box. Good. Okay, and then we do the sides. Watch how I do the sides. My husband has gone to the office today and my kids are at school. Had a busy day with meetings, and it's almost time to get my kids from school now. I did set up my new Google Pixel to watch last night and I'm just getting used to it. It's making all kinds of noises and vibrates and I have no idea what for, so just trying to figure out some of the bells and whistles on it. Literally, I didn't sleep well because it was vibrating and making noise through the night, even though I put it on Do Not Disturb and bedtime mode and my phone was on silent. My Ruggables are coming and I'm excited to do an unboxing and a setup and review of my Ruggables. Lots going on. It's so exciting when all your Black Friday purchases start arriving. Not so exciting when you see your credit card bill, but it's only a couple weeks till Christmas, so I feel good that I did a lot of my shopping already. Ruggables are here. Okay, I had to do a voiceover because it was just too loud with my kids and my dog. So the first thing I did was vacuum up the floor and the rug pad came folded up. So I laid it out exactly where I wanted it underneath my light. And then my husband and I realized very quickly that the rug and pad actually Velcro to each other. So laying it out flat like this was not gonna work. So we had to roll it up. Rolled it up once and rolled it up really crooked so we couldn't get it symmetrical and it just looked terrible. So we rolled it a second time and then laid it out flat, smoothed out any wrinkles. And I was actually so pleased and impressed at how easy this was once we figured it out. The reviews were definitely mixed, so that's why I was hesitant on purchasing the Ruggable, because the reviews were mixed. People said it's too hard to set up, the wrinkles don't come out, but I think it looks beautiful. It feels amazing on my feet, and because I have 2 kids and a dog, it actually, you just peel that top part off and throw it in the wash. I'm not sponsored by Ruggable. I just wanted to do an honest review because I had a hard time finding really good reviews in 2024. A lot of the reviews were from several years ago where maybe the company was just starting out and maybe there was some kinks that they were trying to work out. I haven't washed it yet, but I will post another video if you're interested on what it looks like after I've washed it. We did go ahead then and set up our living room rug. I bought an 8x10 for this space, so my husband's vacuuming for the 8x10 rug. We have 2 rug pads that came and you have to kind of fit them together. And then same thing, 8x10 is definitely a 2-person job because you do need to roll it out. It comes folded up in the box. So we kind of just laid it where we wanted it and then rolled it up as carefully and evenly as possible. And then we found that rolling it out and smoothing it, I was using kind of my hands on the ground while my husband rolled it out. And we found that this was the best way to get of the wrinkles. I highly recommend you check out these rugs. It's a little bit hot.
Mine's not hot.
What do you guys think?
Good.
Good. You've been asking for me to make lasagna for like a week.
I need 1 week.
1 week, yeah. Just takes a lot of work and Mom got tired. What do you want? Just want to drink a glass of milk?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay, I have today off and you can see I'm at a private store. My husband and I decided that we want to tackle some more renos in our house, so we are working on our mudroom and the kids are at school, so we thought we would use the time to shop for somewhat. So here we are. I don't know why I came. I don't think I much help, but more just giving my opinions. It smells great in here. So we finished at the plywood store, ordered a whole bunch of plywood for our next couple of home projects, and now I'm home and I'm still off for the afternoon. My kids are at school, so there's a million things I should be doing, like writing Christmas cards, wrapping presents, but I'm watching Outer Banks. I wanna watch I want to finish the season off because I already saw a spoiler, so priorities. But I am making a hot chocolate because I had a craving, and by hot chocolate I'm using Fairlife milk and some of this vanilla cake protein. Okay, I'm adding the Fairlife milk that I frothed. Gonna add some of that protein. Quick mix, 40 calories for 1/3 of a cup. Oh my gosh, that's so good. And like 40 grams of protein, and I promise you, it doesn't taste like a protein drink. It actually tastes like a white hot chocolate. Friends, it's been one of those weeks. It's Friday now. Being a mom is tough, especially when your kids get sick, because then all of the plans you had, everything kind of goes out the window. Whining and the crankiness. It's a lot. It's a lot for me to take. It's a lot for me to be patient because I'm trying to work while taking care of my kids who are home from school. So yeah, it can get very challenging. But I made it to the end of the week. It is Friday and I have the afternoon off. So I'm about to head out and do some Christmas shopping, but I got a very exciting package. I got the photo books that I ordered. They made it in record time. They're so cute. Look, it's 2024, family picture on the front. I just think the holidays are already really stressful. Whether or not you have kids, it just is a stressful time. But once they get sick, it kind of pushes you over the edge. So I'm glad it's Friday. I'm glad I get to rest a little bit. And I'm very ready for tonight to just sit, watch TV with a glass of wine and relax. It's already the end of the week and I didn't do much filming today because we were really busy. I did not go to the gym this morning. I decided to take a rest day because I don't like the workout that F45 had scheduled for today. So nice quiet morning, had my eggs and fruit and my coffee, and then I took my son to wall climbing because he was feeling better and wanted to go. And my husband took my daughter to the library, and then we decided to treat the kids and take them to see Moana 2 in theaters, and they absolutely loved it. We're huge Moana fans, love Moana. The sequel's never as good as the original, but it was still pretty good. My kids had a good time, and we were just beat when we got home, so had dinner. But that is the end of my Vlogmas week 3. I feel like I did way better this week filming than I did the last couple weeks. I hope you guys are all enjoying your holiday season. I never say this, but I wanted to thank everyone for subscribing to my content. I started making content in January of this year, in January of 2024. So I've been posting one video a week since January, and I never knew how much of a grind it would be planning, filming, editing videos. It's a lot of work, especially having a full-time job and being a mom, but I've loved it. I've loved being able to be creative, something that I don't get to do very often because I give a lot of my energy to my kids and my job. So being creative has been amazing. I've loved every minute of it. And at the start of the year, I created a visual board just of where I saw myself at the end of the year, and I had on there to have 1,000 subscribers. And I'm very pleased to say that, we're nearing the end of December and I'm at 950 subscribers. I'm very happy with my progress, and I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos, subscribing, commenting. It just means a lot to me. If you're not part of the family, be sure to subscribe to follow along. If you're alone over the holidays, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you if you're looking to connect with someone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a great day, and bye for now.